Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and insights into top products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for any coffee aficionado, the MR.SIGA long-handle bottle brush. This versatile brush isn't just for bottles. It's the best coffee grinder cleaning brush you can get your hands on. Let me tell you why. First off, let's talk about the design. Made with non-scratch and odorless nylon bristles, this brush ensures a thorough clean without damaging your coffee grinder or any other delicate surfaces. The firm gray bristles on the tip tackle even the toughest stains, while the black bristles efficiently clean the body. Now, let's talk about convenience. With its long reach handle measuring at 12.8 inches, you can easily reach deep into your coffee grinder or any other narrow containers with ease. Whether it's cleaning your coffee grinder, travel mugs, or glassware, this brush does it all. Plus, the ergonomic TPR rubber-covered handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, making cleaning sessions a breeze. And when you're done, simply hang it up for easy storage thanks to the non-slip and ergonomic handle design. But don't just take my word for it. Customers love the ease of use, durability, and value for money this brush provides. From scrubbing iced tea pitchers to tackling stubborn stains, the MR.SIGA long-handle bottle brush has got you covered. So, if you're tired of struggling with dirty coffee grinders or hard-to-clean containers, invest in the best, the MR.SIGA long-handle bottle brush. Trust me, you won't regret it.